girls and boys, welcome to day 8 Tam Ba Ba, whichever language you want to say. I hope you're following my journey and hopefully you can get started as well. Hit me some comments, see how I can help you and what you want to see more of the content. I can definitely bring that to you guys. If you like what you're seeing, hit subscribe, smash the like button. I'll appreciate that very much. So let's get going. Let's do some push-ups. At 20, it's definitely burning. Give some air in, and we keep going. All right, keep going. Keep everything squeezed, your whole body, so it doesn't go like off, okay? Push up, exhale. Okay. 6. Okay guys, that complete day 8 of today's workout, and hope to see you tomorrow for day 9. Okay.